My name is Barry, aka Big Daddy. I am Baxter, aka Big Gordon. Hey, that's my line!
Hey guys, what going on? It's Jill.
Peppa Pig gets blinded. Season 3, boom!
Jill kills her parents. Arrested. Punishment Day by Scary Wolf. I going to watching something on TV.
Oh, whoa, 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 Jill, how dare you break the fourth wall? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for life. Go to your room now.
What?
Oh my god. I can't believe I'm grounded for the TV. That's it. I hate mom. I hate dad. GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRrr. I'm so bored. What can I do? I'm going to kill my parents. Muhahahahahaha. Prepare to die, parents. Jill. Please don't shoot us, or else I give you a punishment day. Oh no, it's the police.
You are under arrest. This is your cell. You be here for a long time, and you have a visitor.
Oh no. It's Scary Wolf. Jill, I can't believe you kill your parents. That's it. Go to my house for punishment day. First punishment. Force you to watch Jimmy Wolf gets grounded. Wah wah wah. This video is so cringe. Second punishment. Force you to eat a rotten chicken sandwich from Cluckeria. Yuck, that tastes gross. Wah 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 wah. Third punishment. Prudence, it shoot off with the lasers. Take this. Ow 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 wah a a a a a a a a a a a a a. Fourth punishment. Concussion time.
It's concussion time.
Ah. Ow 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 ow. It hurts. Final punishment. Me and Wolfio beat you up. No 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 no.
My name is Barry, aka Big Daddy. I am Baxter, aka Big Gordon. My name is Barry, aka Big Daddy. I am Baxter, aka Big Gordon. Peppa Pig gets blinded. Season 3, boom!
Special thanks to Astrowolf Cosmo 5677. The link for my channel will be in the description.